PSI 30 is back from America, and it's time to sadly take it on its last HSP run. So we're taking none other than Jassy from JS Performance.
It's going off.
True.
OG.
Yeah, it's a sad moment, but let's take this thing for a rip. We got fresh tyres. She's literally pretty much straight out of the container, so it's a little bit dirty. She's booked in for a cut and polish, but hope you enjoy PSI 30's last send off. Alright, so if you're new to the channel and you didn't know, this is PSI 30. It is a Holden VL Calais turbo. It runs the RB30 engine. This one is built, forged, runs a G42 1450, plasma intake, Ross trigger kit. It's got all the goodies. It's got Haltech Nexus R3 ECU. It's got the IC7 dash. It's got the lot, and it makes between 800 and 900 horsepower at the rear wheels on 36 PSI. Runs turbo 400 auto, shockwork suspension, a built short and diff, full spool, and I think it's 3, 4, 5 gears. Yeah, it's got the BM quick shifter. It's a Calais, it's got all the electrics. I can't remember what they call these, Holden wheels. There's Kang, Mako dash, all inbuilt. Real nice car, hard to come by. A nice VL Calais these days. And if you're also following the channel, you might know that I'm giving away me pride and joy. This baby, it will be up next. So you better get around it because it's one of the last cars that we'll be doing out of the fleet. And she's built nice and she goes fast, and Jesse's going to find out how big of a mono it does very soon on the way to HSPs.
I'm scared. These cars are scary.
Anyway, how you been, Jassy?
Good, bro.
If you don't know, Jesse, JS Performance, used to work Keep It Reet, left, dogged us.
Why? I left. Keep It Reet.
Started his own company, JS Performance, right here at our old shop, and he does GTRs and other things, engine builds. He built the 2 JZ Wags. And yeah, I don't know, anything else?
Jap cars.
Yes, Jap car, thanks.
Aspiring to build fast GTRs.
Yes. Washed up drifter too, as well.
Yeah.
That crazy there. Drove it once, gave up.
Nah, that's my old daily.
Oh, true.
That's fun. I stole the interior.
Fair enough.
Yeah, he got the crest with the JZ.
Yes.
She'll be coming back.
Yeah, gang.
Yeah, saving money for a wedding.
True. This guy.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll save some questions for when we go get our HSP, but alright, well, set up a camera, let's go for a drive.
Let's do it.
Up. Alright, little baby squirt. What was that? That was not it. Yeah, warm up them tyres a little bit. Something about the RB30. It just sounds like a muscle car, like when it's cruising and on idle, and then when she opens up, she sounds like a hectic 34 GTR.
Yeah, that RB screams crazy. Something else. What setting's that on?
Kill. I should say, because I know people will be thinking it, whoever wins it, we always chuck it on I usually, well, what we did with the big GTR is change the gate springs to something super soft, so it opens up on baby power, so you can get comfy, or, you know, see if you're happy with everything, and then it's your choice whether you want to put the existing gate springs that it's tuned on, and then you'll have all the settings. This basically has this dial gauge, Haltech little OG dial gauge. You can go from, I think gate pressure on this is 24 PSI, kill mode 35.
Yeah, it can't really be handing someone 800 horsepower car.
Yeah, no, it's not something a lot of people are used to, and I've driven a lot of big power cars and you still don't fully get used to it. There's just all those little things, like cold tyres, weather conditions, road conditions. So we're going to the OG HS Pizzle, haven't been there in a while. Yeah. What's it called?
Kebab time.
Kebab time, that's the one. It's going to be a sad day getting rid of this thing.
Yeah.
Holy
That was terrifying.
She needs more grip. It might be a little bit too much boost for the streets. That's pretty good. That's alright. Needs a bit more.
Way too much wheel spin off the
Yeah.
Made it. One piece, always good. That's terrifying. It's a scary car.
It is. We're here. The famous Kebab time, greeted by the owner. True.
Hello, bro.
How you doing, mate? Long time no see.
Long time no see, yeah. It's true.
Ready to make some premium HSPs or what? Let's do it.
I'm hungry.
True. Okay. Get you freshly squeezed out the front. Not bad. Mixed HSP, bit of lemon juice, barbecue hot sauce, garlic.
Garlic, barbecue, hummus.
Hummus.
I am shocked. Shocked. Well, not that shocked.
Hummus.
And add jalapenos.
Oof. What in the combo? Oh, Jassy. How you been, mate? How's the business life? Give us a rundown.
It's good. Yeah, loving it. Yeah. It's hard work.
What you always dreamed of?
It is, in theory. Yeah. It is what it
Tell
was.
us about the hours.
It's definitely everything I've ever dreamed of, for sure.
Yeah.
And it's a blessing. But
The own freedom, the own make the calls, the everything you put
work
in.
hard, get paid. So you get rewarded if you work really hard.
Yeah.
But
Not that you didn't at Kipper.
yeah, but you
Just has a cap
you
to some
reach your
degree.
limit.
Yeah.
You reach your limit.
It's always somewhat of a cap, but I did my best.
No, it was good. Yeah, the money at Keep Reet was actually pretty good, especially now. Like looking at how much money I pay myself. Don't pay myself very much, but
Yeah, so you can do. The boss. Yeah.
you can put everything through the business though, so it works itself out. And
Yeah, that's right.
cash is king.
No. Cash doesn't exist.
Cash does not exist, not at all. Yeah, I don't get paid much. Tali makes more than I do, but I get to buy stuff through the business.
Yeah, that's
So-
the perks.
I would definitely go bankrupt if I worked 8-hour days. That is not a thing,
Not an option.
not an option. Yeah, it's hard to charge people like 100% of the time spent on their car, because to get the car right, you have to spend the time on it, and yeah, it ends up just costing way too much. But I got your old chat accountant. It's pretty useless. Yeah, got Tali working for me full time.
Yes.
So
How's that going?
that's good.
Having
It's good.
employees.
He's still casual, so I'm a bit worried to give him sick leave because he gets sick all the time. But yeah, building a sick R35 at the minute.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, sick.
So about 1200 horsepower, VR38, brand new block, crank, Nitto I-beams, Nitto pistons.
Damn.
Next year we'll pull the box out and get that built. It's like 35 grand to get the auto built.
Yeah, hectic.
Expensive.
Auto, yeah, those autos are wild.
I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure they're a 7-speed DCT box. So dual clutch, they're in the rear of the car. Just Jap offer packages for them. Stage 1, which only does like 600 foot-pound of torque, which is pretty useless. Starts at 13 grand. And stage 5 or 6 is 60 grand.
Oh my.
For an auto.
What do you mean? Surely better options to go in there, I guess keeping the factory.
I don't. What are you going to put in it? It's
Dang
like
it.
some weird transaxle thing, and it's like a part of the diff. and it,
Surely turbo 400.
yeah, I don't know.
Don't know how it works.
No, I think they just keep building them, and go up to 2,000 horsepower.
Yeah. Ooh, it's time.
Yeah, he's already pretty nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Got that.
Young lad, look at that, brother.
Spanian over here. I need to get him down to FND. If anyone knows, get him down.
Yeah.
Be perfect combo, perfect collab, I reckon. What's it like building a pro car?
Hard work. So much to it. It's sick. It's very rewarding.
Lots of custom things.
Once it left, it's like, I have to work on somewhat normal cars. building the car from scratch. Lots of hours. Big job.
Yeah.
Big job.
Solid kebab. HSP, sorry.
Yeah, not bad.
I remember early days he wasn't there. And he's picked up his game.
Yeah, they got it happening. How's JZ Wags going, mate?
Yeah. Slowly getting it set up. Changing the diff ratio and
Have you played with the diff again?
a lot of suspension setups. I changed to the pickup point. Didn't know so much. Felt like it had way too much forward drive.
Yeah.
Just a bit of a handful to drive. But I was pretty happy to like be confident and really hooking up one FD layout because it's a tight technical layout.
Yeah.
And like big cars on not an amazing tyre can be scary. And I felt pretty confident on a super sport tyre, so it's fine.
How's the quick change life? Convenient.
Pretty carrying. I must say, barrel wags would love it. A few little teething things on the 2JD wags. A few things that will come back to you for. Check over. Clutch doing a little bit funky things. I'm not sure what's going on there. She's doing it all.
Coming back for a bit of love.
Yeah, a bit of love, a bit of checkup. One big one, controversial thing. I'm not sure if I'm fully sold on the sequential. Don't know. It just doesn't feel as fast. I don't know. It's something about the 4-speed. Bang gears, sit in the right gear. Like, you only have to worry about 4 gears.
But downshifting.
No,
You couldn't be downshifting.
I don't know, but when you get the gears set up right, and you're only really ever doing like 4th to 3rd or 3rd to 2nd in really tight stuff. I mean, with a quick change diff, you just have it so it's like 3rd, 4th changing.
Yeah, I don't think people usually ever have to go from 3rd to 2nd, but trying to do 3rd to 2nd isn't much fun.
Just the scariness of like expensive box and braking stuff, serviceability. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel. Yeah, it's a little bit scary. Got to give it time. It's definitely like a crispy little setup once we get it dialed. It's funny how people think that the 2JZ wags is the barrel wags, like refreshed. Which I understand why you'd think that, but
Everyone's going to get real confused when you go film a video with the barrow wags.
what's going on? You changed it back. Like, how could you pull the barrow out? Calm down, son. It's actually pretty cool. It kind of catch me off guard having 2 pro cars really. Traded out all my other cars, so 32 is given away soon at the next event. Got a pretty big comp coming out. So, I mean, obviously FD, but got entered into Hot Pit Auto, is that what it's called? Hot Pit something fest. And they've got a round in Las Vegas in a Speedway dome thing. And a lot of the FD Pro drivers, like the Sorensens, like possibly Connor Shanahan, like I think there's a pretty spiced
You're entered, are you?
Yeah, entered in. Got like a few wildcard spots available, so got me shoe in there. That'll be interesting. It's like a newish track for a lot of drivers, so there's no huge home track advantage for anyone. And
barrel wags on the big stage, mate.
yeah, big stage, mate. I don't know what you get for winning a round. I think they have some pretty cool prizes and prize money, but I know if you did win the full season, I'm pretty sure you get a pro, like FD Pro license, which is hectic.
Yeah, it's huge.
Skip the pro spec if you can win that one. And set the bar high. The tyre rule is a 300 treadwear semi, so it's not insane rule there. That's actually less than a
it's not
less than a pro spec tyre.
But the barrel wags will love it.
I'm trying to organise some Valino 08C, and the barrel wags absolutely loves that tyre. So
Yeah, they're 300.
they're like probably the best 300. It's one down from the 08R, so it's still a really good tyre.
It's a 300.
What's that?
How many horses?
How many horses? Between 8 and 900. Yeah.
It's terrifying.
Yes. We just did a wheelie on the street just before. You want to come for a ride? You did? Yeah. Shit.
I'm a bit nervous.
Nervous?
Can't handle the heat, my friend? Leave it with creepy Uncle Lester.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks, mate.
I
Thanks for the
appreciate you
food.
for the lap.
Anytime, mate. Have a good one. I reckon that's a good time to close it out. Ace. Thanks for coming on,
Thanks for
Jazzy,
having me on the show, mate.
for the final HSP run in PSI 30. It was a good time, and
Just like old days, mate.
that's it. And all the best with the business.
Thanks, mate. Of course.
You too. Always support.
You too.
And yeah, if you enjoyed, smack that like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.
See ya.